guys, it's your girl Glamorous Taye, keeping up with Taye, as you guys know. And here we have
Unique Life with Kimmy.
Period. And we are doing a collab today. Y'all already know, like, this is going to be a banger. So I need you guys to make sure you guys post down below on what other video y'all want us to do. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn those notifications on, so you will be notified when the next banger upload. Period. And y'all already know. Y'all already know. And as you guys see in the thumbnail, what the video is going to be about. Right. But we are going to let Kim explain it even more. Period.
Alright, you guys. So this is called Would You Rather. Hold on. So basically, I'm going to go ahead and read out the questions, and basically it would be like, would you rather do that or would you rather not? And if you want to explain, you can go ahead and explain why would you rather or why would you rather not, or whatever. That's just if you want to. So the challenge is called Would You Rather. So you ready?
Oh, let me think. Y'all, what y'all think she about to ask me? Make sure y'all comment down below what y'all think she gonna ask me. Like, yeah, for real. And if y'all want to do this video too, make sure y'all hashtag keeping up with Taye or Glamoroustayeee, right, so that I can give you guys a shout out. Period. And y'all already know. Oh, and make sure you guys go and subscribe to her channel and give her a thumbs up in all of her videos, and comment down below that you came from me. Alright,
okay, so number 1, would you rather eat pizza for a year or no pizza for a year?
Nah, I don't know pizza for no year.
Me neither. No. Not for a year. Not for a year. I'd rather be without it.
I love pizza, but I don't want it for no year.
Not for a year.
No way.
No way.
Yeah, I'm gonna pass on that one. No pizza for a year.
No pizza for a year.
Nope,
Same with me. No pizza for a year. No. Okay. Number 2, would you rather be able to fly or be able to read minds?
Oh, fly or read my. Oh, dang, both of them good. Oh, I think I'm gonna go with read minds.
And I think I'm gonna go with fly.
Oh my God.
I think I'd rather fly.
Well, why do you want to fly?
I would rather fly because reading minds, like, that's just, my head will probably be hurting.
I think so.
If I could just read everybody's mind.
Yes, and then it's going to probably cause so much stress on you, because now you're going to know what they think.
Exactly.
But I think it gives you a better insight on how a person feel about you.
Definitely.
And, you know, so I think I'm going to go ahead and keep reading minds. She's going to go and fly.
And I'm going to go and fly.
And she can just fly all over the place.
Over the place. Look.
She can go see, like, anything.
And everybody. Y'all comment in the comment section below, what would y'all rather?
Exactly. Would you rather get locked in a candy shop or get locked inside a theme park?
The theme park for me.
The theme park? Girl, what you finna be doing? Like,
look, I'm about to go get on everything. I promise you. Don't lock me in no candy shop, child. I'm gonna wait, child.
No, for real. I think I'm gonna get locked in the theme park too. Like, I ain't messing no candy, because when you get locked in theme candy shop, like, you gonna come out with all type of rotten teeth in your mouth.
Exactly.
Because that's all you gonna be eating is candy.
For real.
Like,
lock me in the theme park.
Right. Look, lock me in the theme park. Let me explore. Let me adventure in every ride that I've never been on before.
That's right. That's right.
All right. So be a doctor or a lawyer? Ooh.
I'd rather be a doctor. I say a doctor.
A doctor?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna go with a lawyer. Only because I don't know, because I'm scared of, like, people dying under my hands. And when you be a doctor, like, depending on what type of doctor, you have to have that stuff on your head.
But either way, it's a little pressure, because both ways I think you're saving lives, because you're fighting for someone, right?
Oh yeah, that's
true.
What
I'm saying? So I think they kind of go hand in hand. Being a doctor and being a lawyer is kind of hand in hand, right?
Yeah, but the only thing is, if you like a surgery doctor, like, now you gotta worry about killing somebody and, like, them not waking up on the table, now their parents gonna
you're right. Like, it's, my fault where I could have did more to prevent that.
But being a lawyer is not too much.
But it depends on what kind of
right? Look, yeah. What do you guys pick? Would you guys rather be a lawyer or a doctor?
Let us know in the comment section below.
Would you guys rather is it go to the pool?
Yes.
Go to the pool every day or beach every day?
The beach.
I'm going to the beach.
I'm going to the beach, baby. Period.
I'm going to the beach.
I'm going to the beach every day.
The pool.
The pool? Nah.
No,
Give me the
we're
beach.
going to the beach.
We're
We're going to take pictures at the beach. We're about to see the nice sunset at the beach. You know how much stuff you could do at the beach?
Okay.
We're going to the beach.
Right.
Yeah. We going to the beach. Bum the pool at this point. We'll go there like when we ain't got no time to go to the beach.
Right. Okay, number 6. Would you rather be cold or hot?
I'm going with cold because I can't stand the sweat. Ooh.
Yeah, I go with cold.
I'm going with cold, but then it depends on how cold though, because sometimes it gets too cold, like everything start burning, like it's just like toes burning, your fingers burning, like even when you got the little gloves on, like, it's like everything still be burning if it's like really really cold. Like comment down below, would you rather to be cold or would you rather to be hot?
Be hot. Yes.
Hot. I don't think I could deal with hot.
I can't do the heat.
Yeah,
I can't deal with the
definitely
heat.
not doing
definitely
hot.
Not the heat. Definitely not hot. I cannot be hot. No.
Yeah, I'm not doing hot at all.
Cold, definitely. Number 7. Would you rather stay on a private island or stay in a castle?
Oh, see now.
Look, go ahead, friend.
Oh, I don't know.
A private island or a castle?
Dang, that's hard. A private island. Let me think of the good ways and the good. So let me see. A private island or a castle.
I got to go with the private island. I know the castle could be big and nice and on its own land as well, but
I think I'm gonna go with private island too.
Private island.
I think I'm gonna go with private island. Only because like, yeah, you get the castle, but when you got your own private island, nobody gotta know where you stay. Nobody gotta know where you at. You just run away, disappear, and just go. You can do that in the castle too, but of course people gonna find out where you stay at. But with the private island, yeah, I think I'm gonna go with the private island. I'm gonna go with the private island.
Y'all let us know. We definitely going with the private island.
No. For real.
So you can go.
Would you rather never get on social media or never watch TV? I don't know. Social media getting a little bit too much.
That's so hard. No social media or no TV.
You know what I think I'm gonna go with? I think I'd rather no TV, to be honest, because everything that you see on TV, you see it on social media.
Yeah, you're right.
So it's like if you see something like happen on the news, you don't see it on social media anyways. Right. So it's like, yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead, no TV. I don't want no TV. Like, I barely look at TV anyways.
Yeah. Same here. I go without the TV, I guess. Yeah. Cause it's the same stuff.
Right. You see the same exact thing.
So you have a point about that.
You see the same exact thing. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go.
So I stay. I stay on social media.
Stay on social media.
No TV for me.
Because with social media, see what you can do is like if you got a business, you can. You know, you can advertise it to, you know, your business and stuff like that. Definitely. But with TV, I don't know, it's a little bit harder to get your stuff advertised on TV. But so, alright, so would you rather eat ice cream free for a year or eat free at any restaurant for a year?
Give me the restaurant. Make sure it's seafood. Give me the restaurant.
Yeah, ice cream. You gonna gain weight with either one. Just give me the restaurant.
But I just take the restaurant.
Give me the restaurant any day. Give me the restaurant. I don't care. Look, give me the high end restaurant. In the restaurant, give me the high end restaurants. Ice cream, say that for the kids.
Yeah, definitely.
Periods.
Alrighty. So the animal that you'd rather be and why do you chose that animal?
Oh snap!
So what animal would you rather be and why?
Oh, I don't know. I think I'm gonna be a
That's a good one.
What animal would I rather be? Ooh, I'd probably go with, I'm trying to think of all of the good animals that people just take care of.
I think I got 2 in mind. I'd rather be 2.
You know what I think I'm gonna be? No, I don't know. You go first. Let me think.
A bird. Remember about I'd rather be a bird, y'all, because I can just fly over all, you know. It'd be hard for another animal to harm me because I'm much higher. Yeah, so
I think
I'd rather be a bird.
Yeah, I think I'd rather be, I don't know, dang.
And a lion.
Really?
Yes, a lion.
Wow, I never thought about that. So I'd rather be
a bird in the rain.
I think I'd rather be a fish. A fish? Oh. Because they're so quiet.
Yeah.
But I just hope that nobody eats me. But I'd rather be a fish because they're just so quiet. You don't have to worry about us being so loud and barking and stuff like that. Like we just swim around in the fish tank and just live life inside of the little fake little things that we
flying over here about it.
Look, I see everything going on.
I see everything going on. Yeah.
Yeah, so I think I'm gonna be a fish.
Okay.
Why would I rather be a fish? Yeah, so I can just see everything going on quiet. All I'm doing
So
is
if you had to choose one more, what would it be?
I think I'll probably choose a bird too because
Yeah.
the birds are so peaceful.
Definitely.
Like they're very peaceful. All you do is just fly around, just eat, and just boo boo on your cars and boo boo on you. Look, now you got somebody that gave me one of those little things just to blow me up. And
Okay. Look. This was really good.
Right, this was fun though.
Yeah.
Make sure you guys comment below what other video you guys want us to do together. Like this
Period.
is fun. Like let us know below if you enjoyed this video.
Comment in the comment section below.
Period. And make sure you guys tell them your channel name.
The channel name is Unique Life with Kimmy.
And you guys should see that on the screen below. And yeah, so we are done with this
Thank you guys.
challenge. And thank you guys for watching once again. And we are out.
Peace.
Period.